we're calling 2 more specialty aspirants. We would love to have them for this game. Over my palm. So again, these are place the item that I'm looking for right over my palm. Is everyone ready? Okay, bring me something you've bought from today. Alright, so again, the mechanics is so easy here. All you have to do is feed them a special tip from Matnat. Thank you, Matnat. Altogether, let's say thank you, Matnat. There you have it. Okay, thank you. This event, something that they didn't know to do with it. Right over here, place it on my arm. Something you bought today. Today, boy. That's me today. Okay, there you have it. An item from Bash Mom. The group of Project 2. And lastly, hello sir, what is your name? Hey sir, what is your name? Shout out to Bash Boss. Ayan, sana. Nakapagkakit na sana. At item, this is super cute. Right, guys? What is your name po? Congratulations, Miss Hilda, you get a special prize from Brookings. Okay, so then you may take your prize at the registration area. Thank you. That's our first item. Moving forward, bring me. We've been talking about this a while ago. Okay, bring me an exclusive Pet Socials passport. Bring me passport. The Pet Socials passport, there you go. What is your name, Miss? Miss Maddie, congratulations. Okay, so Miss Maddie, may I invite you to come up here on stage? And I know, kasama ni Maddie ang kanyang fur baby. Once again, thank you to Roofkins for sponsoring our Bring Me game today. Okay, Miss Maddie, can you tell our community what is the benefit of having a passport? Why is it important to get one?
I just got it this morning and I believe it's important because you can stamp and then when you complete it, you get to parang you go to another level like that. Parang mas mataas na level. Then more perks from there.
That is absolutely correct. So Miss Maddie is right. Once you get a passport or avail of a special Pet Socials passport, yeah, you get a lot of benefits. And tumataas din yung kanyang tier, right? For example, our white passport, and then later on, you will get another special discount once na complete yung stamp by attending different Pet Socials events. And we would like to inform everyone that there is an enduring collaboration between Pet Socials and Ayala Malls Fairview Services. So thank you so much. You may claim your prize, Miss Maddie. Thank you. I think this is your prize. Check it. So that's Miss Maddie, and we also have Miss Hilda winning a special prize from Roofkins. Maraming salamat. We still have 3 items to go. So please prepare any possible items that I will be asking in a short while. But let me just confirm, thank you. This is our prize from Roofkins. Congratulations, Miss Maddie and Miss Hilda. Miss Hilda, our first winner. Moving forward, bring me A. Bring me A for baby in a stroller. For baby in a stroller. Move forward. Baby at the entrance. As you can bring your photos here on stage, if you want to win a 2-kilogram pack of cheese and of course a feeding bowl for your fur baby. Any photos? Let's go. I'm pretty sure they are loving the tweet from Hasnat. Thank you, Hasnat. And the consolation prize, not yet. Alright, hold your feet. Okay, and let's move forward. Let's move a little closer. Okay, sige, keep the treats for muna. Sir, what is your name?